Okay, we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna go on streeteasy.com and we're going to find a
Cut the
place to buy
music.
Manhattan, obviously, because we are those girlies live in Manhattan. We're gonna go for $1 million because who wouldn't want a small loan of $1 million that wouldn't kill anyone? You know? Okay. Oh look, I found a place. Gramercy, love it, a studio. Fine, whatever. $500,000. Nice. Okay, I don't love these floors, but these closets are nice. I like whatever. It's not it's okay, nice view. Like the patio. I mean the rooftop. It's cute. Okay. Cute space. Whatever. We can work at this for our little starter apartment. Oh look, an elevator, a full-time doorman. Nice outdoor space. We saw that it was nice. We approved. Okay, so let's take a look at the maintenance fees and the mortgage. Okay, $4,200. I can afford that, obviously. Just kidding. I can't. Not for this. Don't take my investment advice. It's just for the purpose of this video, but we're gonna take a screenshot. You press Command Shift 4, by the way, and we're gonna conceptualize a couple of ideas with this. Because Signature Bank has decided to give us a small loan of $1 million, lucky us, we are going to beautify this living room using remodeled.ai, and our budget is $16 because that is our net worth, period. Alright, so we are on remodeled.ai. As you can see, we uploaded our living room image, and we're going to play around with the design, the materials, and the color. Okay, so let's just jump right into this shit. Okay. We're thinking. I'm feeling minimalist. Let's see. Contemporary. I want my stuff to look new, but I don't want to have a lot of shit. I don't want to clean. Romantic, but obviously I'm rich because I can afford this, so I'm not even gonna clean anyways. But okay. So materials, suede. Okay, suede, clear glass. No, fuck the clear glass. We don't want that. What else? Cherry wood, oak wood. Okay, alright. Let's see, acrylic. Like acrylic, that's always cool. Textured glass, that's always a lot of fun. We want to add colored glass because we're going for those colory, like pastels, gold, limestone, quartz. Cool. Okay, let's choose our color palette. Obviously, we're gonna choose pink, cotton candy, because we're pink girlies. We deserve to have our Barbie moment. Let's generate this shit. Let's see what this comes up with. So if you're an architect, or if you are an interior designer, if you are okay, pause my statement. This is so pretty. I love this. They changed the floor. My FBI agent listened. I like the pink accent walls. I like this little shelf. I like that they replaced our door. Remember, this is AI. This is a tool it's not 100% accurate, but it's meant to help you explore, and this is perfect for interior designers, for architects, just anyone that wants to just redesign their space, and you need some inspiration. Pinterest is great. This is also super great. This is gonna help you design something a little bit closer to what you are looking for. Okay, let's change up our themes. Okay, so let's do Japanese design, cyberpunk, minimalist. We're not gonna be minimalist anymore. We want to go crazy. We're meant to explore here. We're trying to break the boundaries. You want something new, fun, cool. American flag stuff on the moon will eventually turn white from the sun. That's what that said. Okay, this is cool. This is like hotel lobby vibes. I like that the floor kind of matches the walls and stuff. I like this hot pink lights, going on that little plant in the back. Very cool. Okay, let's try one more time, and let's just play around with the design themes again. Let's see. Okay. We're not gonna do cyberpunk or Japanese design. We're just gonna go for Hollywood. Just like Hollywood. Okay, I don't know if we'll find out what this is gonna look like. Amazon was originally called Abracadabra. Fun fact, Amazon was originally a bookstore, an online bookstore. Jeff, our good friend Jeff, had the grand idea of converting it into the superstore that it is now, but I absolutely hate this design. I hate this floor. If this is your style, no judgment, but I don't like this at all. Okay, this is not the assignment, at all. Assignment failed. Next, moving on, changing it. Okay, steampunk, wabi sabi, whatever that is, and Candyland. I feel like that might help us. Cotton candy, Candyland, yum. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright, generating. Let's see. A group of stingrays is called a fever. That's cool. RIP to our good friend. Rip my statement, but look at this. This is cool. This is very much like sushi bar, like nice.